Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss about what all the file operations we can perform using the Golang. So for that performing the file operations, we can use the OS module. And in OS module, there are multiple functions are available. So let's talk about all the functions one by one. So first of all, we will for creating the file we will use OS package and that function name is create. So it will be create a new file and truncate if existing file is there, and it will be make the size of the file of 0. And second is for opening the file, os.open package. We already use this like uh, a function to open the file for reading and returning the error if file is not exist. So next one is third one, if you're talking about, so that one is the os dot uh, open file. So open file, open the file, the specific flag, read or write or append or any other permission mode. So it will be open the file in that format. And next one is fourth one is file dot close. So after performing all the operations, close and open file, whatever file we open. So with the help of that function, we can close the file. Let's next one, file dot uh, uh, read. One more function is there, read the byte into the now from the file and into a byte slice. We can use the file dot read function, and file dot write function is there. Okay, so file dot write function is there. With the help of that we can write the data inside that file. So for that we are using file dot write function. And mm, seventh one is to like uh, uh, write a string to a file. So we can use file dot write string. This is the function name. With the help of this we can write the string inside that files. Okay, and for checking the info of the file, we can use for checking the info of the file we can use os dot state function. It will be retrieve all the information about the file. And next one is os dot rename function is there. With the help of that we can rename our file. Okay, and next if you're talking about, so uh, uh, like renaming the file or deleting the file, we can use os dot remove function, and with the help of that we can remove the file. Basically, when we are writing the function, inside the function we are passing some arguments. Okay, so that like file name and path or something. Okay, and to read the directory content we can use os dot read directory function to read the directory content. And if you want to check that file is exist or not, so already we used in previous video to check whether its directory is exist or not, os dot stat, and is exist directory something, one more function is there. With the help of that we can check that is that that the directory is exist or not. If you want to change the permissions of the file, we can use os chmod, change the file permission. And if you want to change the ownership of the file, we can use ch on. ch on in the sense that is the Linux command, like change the ownership. To create the directory, for creating the directory we can use os dot mkdir. Okay, it will be create the directory. And next, if we are talking about, so we can use like remove the directory. So os dot remove os dot remove function is there. With the help of that we can remove the directory. If you want to remove all the directory, we have separate function os dot remove all. It will be remove all the directory which you are going to remove. And if you want to create the temporary directory, so we can use us os create temp. So it will be create the temporary file. And if you want to create the temporary directory, we can use like mkdir temp. This is used for testing purpose. If you are writing the test cases in that, it will be used. So let's jump to the uh, our VS Code editor, and there we will write the program to see all the operations which we discuss as of now. So that will be covered in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.